Imagine, you can wake up to the fresh aroma of coffee before leisurely checking your phone. And what's this? More income? That's right. With minimal investment, you can turn your passion into profit. Whether you are a yoga enthusiast or a culinary artist, a digital nomad, or just someone who enjoys the comfort of their home, this video is a treasure map to your pot of gold. Today, behind the locked doors of the digital world, we'll be exposing best passive income ideas that are easy to master. We'll explore how you can leverage your skills and hobbies to attract an online following and how to simultaneously keep the cash flowing in. So grab a hold of your curiosity and steer it into the vast horizon of opportunities that awaits you. This is your time to turn the tide, empower yourself, and realize your dreams. No-code affiliate marketing visuals. A friendly creator using a drag-and-drop website builder on a laptop, intercut with screenshots of affiliate program dashboards. Step-by-step guide. 1. Find your niche. Use free online tools to identify trending topics that match your interests. 2. Build your site. Create a professional blog or website using a no-code builder like Wix or Weebly. 3. Join affiliate programs. Sign up for reputable affiliate programs, Amazon Associates, ShareASale, etc. 4. Create content. Write product reviews or helpful guides, embedding your affiliate links naturally. Imagine launching a blog on budget travel. Your well-crafted posts drive traffic and earn you commissions every time a reader books a hotel or flight through your links. Print on demand for custom merchandise. Step-by-step guide. 1. Design your artwork. Use free design software to create unique graphics or slogans. Choose a platform. Sign up for services like Redbubble, Teespring, or Printful that handle printing and shipping. 3. Upload your designs. Select products, t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, and add your custom designs. 4. Market your store. Share your store on social media and let the platform manage the sales and fulfillment. For example, design a series of quirky quotes or trendy illustrations. Each sale on your custom merchandise store could earn you a royalty, all without any technical hassles. Self-publishing eBooks and audiobooks. Step-by-step guide. 1. Choose your topic. Pick a subject or story you're passionate about, be it fiction, self-help, or how-to guides. 2. Write your book. Draft your ebook using a word processor, keeping it clear and engaging. 3. Design a cover. Use free graphic design tools to create an eye-catching cover. 4. Publish your work. Upload your ebook to platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing. For audiobooks, use free text-to-speech tools or record your voice and publish on Audible. Write a concise guide on mindfulness practices and publish it as an ebook. Each download or sale brings you a new stream of passive income. Robo-Advisor Investing, no-code finance. Step-by-step guide. 1. Research options. Look for low-cost robo-advisors like Betterment or Wealthfront that cater to beginners. 2. Set up your profile. Enter your financial goals and risk tolerance. This process is straightforward and requires no technical know-how. 3. Automate your investments. Let the platform allocate and rebalance your portfolio automatically. 4. Watch your money grow. Monitor your investments over time, enjoying the benefits of compound growth with minimal intervention. Imagine setting up your investment portfolio on a robo-advisor and then sitting back as your money works for you, earning returns without the need for daily management. That wraps up our top passive income ideas for 2025 here on Tech Pulse. From no-code affiliate marketing and online courses to print-on-demand, self-publishing, and automated investing, these strategies prove that anyone can start earning extra income without being a tech expert. If you found these ideas inspiring, hit the like button, subscribe to Tech Pulse, and share your thoughts or questions in the comments below. Remember, every step you take today is a step toward financial freedom. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more innovative tips right here on Tech Pulse.